Want to block gambling sites and apps on your iPhone? Here's a faster way to do it using Apple's built-in settings. No third-party apps required. Let's dive right in. First, open your settings and tap on screen time. Before we block anything, we need to lock these settings so they can't be easily bypassed. Scroll down and tap lock screen time settings. Once your passcode is set, let's block the apps. Tap on content privacy restrictions and toggle the switch at the top to on. Tap iTunes and App Store purchases. Then select installing apps and change this to don't allow. This completely removes the ability to download any new apps, including gambling ones, without entering your new secret screen time passcode. Now let's block the websites. Head back to the content privacy restrictions page and tap on App Store, Media, Web, and Games. Scroll down to Web Content. You have two ways to do this. Your first option is to select Limit Adult Websites and manually type in the URLs of the gambling sites you want to block under the Never Allow section. However, for a completely foolproof method, select Only Approved Websites, and this creates a strict whitelist. I hope this helps, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.